In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WPForms to Google Sheets. Before we begin, make sure you're using WPForms Pro because the Google Sheets integration requires the upgraded version. If you're on a lower plan, you may not see the integration options shown in this tutorial, so it's a good idea to confirm that first. Once that's ready, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to WPForms, then Settings. This is where you manage global settings for the plugin, including integrations with third-party services. Inside Settings, click the Integrations tab and then select Google Sheets. This section is where you connect your site to your Google account so WP Forms can send form submission data directly into a spreadsheet. Next, click Continue with Google. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow WP Forms to access the spreadsheets needed for the connection. Just follow the prompts carefully and complete the authorization process. After your Google account is connected, open the form you want to use inside the WP Forms form builder. This can be an existing form or the form you plan to collect entries from going forward. Within the builder, go to Settings and then Google Sheets. From there, click Add New Connection. This creates a dedicated link between that specific form and a spreadsheet, which is helpful if you want different forms to send data to different sheets. You'll now be asked to give the connection a nickname. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple connections later. After that, decide whether you want to create a brand new spreadsheet or connect to an existing one already stored in Google Drive. Once you've selected the spreadsheet, scroll down to the field mapping section. This part is important because it tells WP Forms exactly where each piece of form data should go inside your sheet. You'll notice that the entry ID is automatically mapped to column A. That happens by default, and it gives each submission a unique reference number in your spreadsheet, which can be useful for sorting and tracking entries. For the rest of your columns, use the drop-down menus to match each Google Sheets column header with the correct form field. Be sure the column names and form fields line up exactly the way you want. Taking an extra moment here can save you from messy data later. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner of the builder. And that's it. Your WP Forms form is now connected to Google Sheets, and future submissions should flow directly into your spreadsheet automatically.